Hello everyone and welcome to my channel English Newscast. Firstly, thank you to like and subscribe to my channel. We are also on Facebook, and if you have any doubts or want to join my online and offline classes, you can call or WhatsApp me on the given number. Today, I am going to talk about 8 parts of speech, which is very important in the English grammar. So let us begin. As you can see, the 8 parts of speech. I will be discussing each one in detail in my next slide. So the 8 parts of speech are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So nouns. What basically is a noun? A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, in the person, man, woman, child, girl, boy. Place, Paris, home, city, Asia, school. Animals, dog, cat, lion, bee, bull. Thing, book, pencil, apple, shoe, cap. What are exactly pronouns? Pronouns replace the name, a person, place, thing, or idea in a sentence. She, he, it, they, him, her, this, that, and so on. Okay, this is a small little chart that I have made for you. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, reflective pronouns. First person, I in subject pronouns, object pronouns, me, possessive adjectives, my, possessive pronouns, mine, reflective pronouns, myself. Now, in a sentence, you might be knowing there is a subject, a verb plus object. A subject pronoun describes as I, which is the doer. The object pronouns receives the action, that is me. Possessive is something which you own, is my. And possessive pronouns, this is something which is completely yours, that is mine. If you have done something by yourself, is called myself, that is the reflexive pronouns. Second person, you, subject, you, object, possessive adjective, your, possessive pronouns, yours, and reflexive pronouns, yourself. In third, for males, we can say he, him, his, himself. And for the females, in the third person, she, her, hers, and herself. Third thing. So if you are talking about things, it does not have a male or a female, so you will use it. So subject pronouns, it, object pronouns, it, possessive adjective, its, possessive pronouns is not used, reflexive, itself. First person plural, we, us, our, ours, ourself. Second person plural, you, your, yours, yourself. Third person and thing, they, them, their, theirs, themselves. Adjectives. What are adjectives? An adjective describes a noun or a pronoun. Example, red, tall, fat, long, short, blue, and so on. Now, what are adjectives? It actually describes a noun or a pronoun that can be in the form of color, size, shape, taste, odor, texture, sound, number, weather. So in color, it can be any color. Maybe black, you can say a black dress. So dress is a noun and black is the adjective. The sky is blue. So sky is a noun. How the sky looks? It looks blue. So blue is the adjective. Size. For example, big. There is a big box. The box is a noun. Big is the adjective. A huge animal. So animal is a noun and huge is the adjective. Shape. Shapes can be any. There is a triangle or a square or a rectangle, table, a box, anything. Taste. Whenever you taste food or you taste something which is bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, or a tart, the flavor of it. Odor. So it can be flowery. You normally use perfumes to smell very good. So that smell, that odor is fresh, misty, salty, or it can be also stinky. Texture. So if you are touching something, if you are feeling something, okay, so it can also be called as an adjective. That is bumpy, furry. The cats are very furry. So they are describing the cat that they are very soft and furry. Slimy, smooth, swishy. Okay, next is sound. Sound can be faint, harmonious, loud, pleasant, or quiet. Numbers, few, 50. Few is an indefinite adjective. 50 is a definite adjective because it is showing a definite number. Many is again an indefinite. Sparse and two. Weather. Weather can also be the adjective because it is showing what the weather is about. If the sky is clear, if maybe the weather is dry, it's foggy, it's rainy, or it's windy. Okay, so verbs. A verb is a word or a group of words that describes an action or experiences. For example, realize, walk, see, look, sing, sit, listen, and etc. Two types of verbs. One is the regular and the other is irregular. Those words that form their past participle with D or ED are regular verbs. These verbs do not undergo substantial changes while changing forms between tenses. Now these are the base form, which is the present, simple present form, which we'll convert it into the simple past and past participle. So the word is accept in the base form. In the simple past, we write accepted and past participle is accepted too. Achieve, achieved, achieved. Add, added, added. Admire, admired, admired. Admit, admitted, admitted. Adopt, adopted, adopted. Advise, advised, advised. Agree, agreed, agreed. These are the irregular verbs, a type of verb that does not follow the general rule of using ed at the end of the word to make the past tense or the past participle form. So the base word is lose, simple past is lost, and the past participle is lost. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Put, put, put. Now this will never change. Read, read, read. The spelling of this word is the same, but the pronunciation is read. Here, I would like to say one more thing. You have to be very precise with the pronunciation because the pronunciation plays a very big role in English grammar. Okay, now this is the end of the part 1. Part 2 is coming soon, which is going to be the verb tenses. So stay tuned and thank you so much for liking and subscribing my channel. This is Varsha from English Newscast. Thank you.